And welcome back, the Surreal is here, and this is Let's Play Parasite Eve with Aya, who somehow managed to get herself trapped again. I mean, what is it with traps and Aya Brea anyway? It seemed to be a running gag. And yes, that window is the only way out. That's at least a 3-story drop. If you slip, you'd be road pizza. You'd be nothing more than a bloody smear on the pavement. Wait, what the? That's scientifically impossible. I mean, that height alone is like somewhat 3 times Aya Brea's height. A normal person would have broken a leg or two. Not to mention, that's a ledge she's trying to get to. Video game logic. It defies the laws of science. And it would appear that Aya's inventory is already full. I've already played this game quite a number of times, and it still confuses me. Yeah, that scorpion is quite annoying. Strangely enough, it's not immune to acid poisoning. For a monster that actually poisons Aya, it's not exactly immune to poison itself. Anyway, let's use some medicine. It's locked. I mean, what's with that trap earlier? Aya Brea could have easily shoot that door open. I mean, she's carrying a weapon that could kill a pteranodon and a giant freaking scorpion. Anyway, let's leave the trading card there. I don't think we could add more slots to either the jacket and the P90. I'm gonna combine this, cause that extra item slot is quite useful. Frankly speaking, I don't even know if I'm going the right way or not. You could go run in circles around this place. We're looking for the control room for the alarm, cause the elevator and the gate between floors are locked when the alarm is activated. So we need to deactivate the alarm in order to get anywhere in the museum. And the pterodactyl just blinded Aya. Fortunately, blind status don't last. That bird also has a freeze attack. Interesting. And we gotta level up. Let's use that medicine. Here we are. This is the control room. There's a switch in there that we need to pull to turn up the alarm. Now let's see. A machine gun. Of course it's activated, Aya. That's what preventing you from using the elevator in the first place. Fourth floor, ah? That's the slime we've been following earlier. So that red stuff is what's causing those dinosaurs to come alive. And that's a freaking Tyrannosaurus Rex. Come on, Aya. Eve just turned an entire audience at the park into spaghetti sauce. And it's just now that you think that she's crazy? And we gotta revive. A key, huh? I bet our good Dr. Clamp has one. If we can find him. Oh wait, I've already been to this area. Let's go try upstairs. This place is more confusing than the sewers, I think. Well, maybe. We got a full inventory. Again. It's funny how you know you're going the right way when you encounter enemies. Yeah, let's discard that. You won't be able to carry anything anymore. I think we've been through this area before. And since we're going to find the elevator, yeah, I think we're gonna do a little bit of backtracking. Because the elevator we need to find is at the entrance of the museum. Ah, there we go. And we got an encounter. And more of those prancing dinosaurs again. Now to use the elevator. Going to the second floor. Gonna check the laboratory to see if we can find our good Dr. Clamp. Here we are. Just shoot him, Maya. Shoot his legs. Oh, it's just made. Shoot him anyway. He's basically useless. At the hospital. Wasn't that place crawling with monsters the last time we've been there? Not to mention the roof was probably destroyed when that plane hit. You've been snooping around, huh, Mr. Japanese scientist? Yes, Aya. It would appear that Eve is your little sister, Maya. heavy scientific stuff. I'll let these two do the explaining. I mean, do gamers that play this game supposed to understand these terms? I know they've been trying to explain it in layman's term, but still, it's still quite too scientific. Just shoot him! Of course, she has special powers. If she didn't, she would probably already been burned like the others. You know, putting that gun down isn't a good idea. See? Told ya. In your face! I bet Clamp will be feeling that in the morning. Yeah, you've been shooting dinosaurs and who knows what already. I'm sure blowing a few kneecaps wouldn't hurt. Dulles. Yes, Daniel's surname is Dulles. And we didn't know that until this part of the game. Just shoot him right now. Yeah, shoot him. You're one crazy bastard, you know that? We've been trying to kill Eve since day one. If it was that easy, it would have probably been over days ago. Committing suicide, huh? That's why she's still alive. You could have probably seen that, since you already know that she has special abilities. And it would appear Clamp's still a moron till the end. And we got a key! Yeah, let's discard the medicine for that key. With that key, we'll be able to open that room somewhere that we're not been able to go through in the first place. Unfortunately, this video is quite long enough. We're just gonna save it here. On the next vid, I'm gonna go find that room and use that key and hopefully find E.